Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add like a spoilers alert to your photos or videos when you're sending stuff to your friends on Discord. So for instance, I want to upload this image and it spoils like a movie, or like I'm sending like a video that spoils like a movie. I'm just going to want to press the spoiler attachment and I'm going to press enter so that when they like you send it to somebody, it will send it like blurred out and it will say spoiler. And the only way they'll able to actually see it is if they pressed on the photo. If not, it will act like a spoiler. Like if I go to another channel and go back, it's still marked spoiler. So yeah, that is how you can add a spoiler alert to your messages on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!